Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today we're going to show you how to fix can't delete messages on Messenger. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Step 2. Once you're inside, go ahead and open the conversation that contains the message you want to delete. Step 3. Now, find the message you want to remove. Tap and hold on that message and then press the More option that pops up. Step 4. After that, tap on Remove. A prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the message. Tap Remove again to confirm. Step 5. Now, close the Messenger app completely. Tap and hold the Messenger app icon on your home screen. Step 6. From the options that appear, tap on App Info. Step 7. In the App Info screen, you'll see the option to uninstall the app. Go ahead and tap on the uninstall icon to remove Messenger from your device. Step 8. Finally, go to your App Store and reinstall Messenger. This should fix the issue, and you should be able to delete messages without any problem now. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.